There are many steps involved in the process of educating a special needs child, and such a huge amount of factors to consider that I often find that when it comes to finally receiving the recommended school placement, parents are confused about what to even look for or ask about. I can help to provide you with clarity. My name is Jennifer Ratcliff, and I have been representing parents in this area of the law for nearly 7 years. Today, I am going to give you an overview of what types of questions you should be asking when you visit any placement that has been recommended for your child by the district. First of all, when you receive a placement offer for your child, you should immediately contact the school directly and set up an appointment to visit. If you're having any difficulty getting in touch, you should contact the person on your placement notice, and if you have an attorney, you should certainly let them know as well. On the day of your visit, bring a copy of your child's IEP and placement offer with you. You should ask if you can observe the class that your child will be placed into. More often than not, you'll be told that this is not possible, but you should ask. If you are turned down, the next best thing is to ask if you can talk to the classroom teacher and ask them a few questions. If the answer is still no, at least ask all of your questions of your tour guide. The first and most important inquiry is whether or not the school can provide your child with the class program and ratio listed on their IEP. The law requires them to implement the IEP that was developed for your child by the CSE team. The IEP cannot be modified to meet the resources available at the school placement. The school placement must meet the requirements on the IEP. Other important questions include: what types of supports will there be for my child in this class? What teaching methodologies will be used in my child's classroom? Do the teachers and faculty at the school have experience with my child's particular needs and diagnosis? What level of support will my child have in the less academic classes, i.e. specials such as art and music? Will they have a special education teacher during this time? Will they have special education supports during science and social studies? Will they miss any class time for related services? If so, which classes? And will any of the services be provided for on a push-in basis in the classroom? What will the lunch environment be like? What supports, including social supports, will my child have during the unstructured periods of the day, such as lunch, gym, recess, passing periods? These are just suggestions and a general flavor of the types of questions that you should be asking. You should also ask anything else that is important to you, anything that you would ask of any school as you are considering it for your child. Take notes during your visit. If you have an attorney, make sure to discuss the visit with them as soon as possible once you've completed it. And if you do not have an attorney and you do not feel that the recommended placement is appropriate for your child, that is the operative time to consult an attorney. Our office is always available to help answer your questions related to this and any of your other special education law questions. Feel free to give us a call at 646-741-3030 or email us at jennifer@ratcliffelaw.org. We hope to hear from you.